Are you dreaming of scenic landscapes vibes that stir the emotions? Today, we're going to take a virtual trip to the City of Lights, Paris, and experience the thrill of cruising down the Seine River. So, buckle up and let's embark on this unforgettable journey together. Paris, the City of Love, is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking a romantic getaway or a cultural adventure. And what better way to explore this stunning city than by cruising down the iconic Seine River? The Seine River is not only a beautiful sight to behold, but it also offers a unique perspective of Paris. As you glide along the river, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the city's famous landmarks, such as the Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre Museum. The cruise is not just about sightseeing, though. You'll also have the opportunity to indulge in some delicious French cuisine, sip on a glass of wine, and enjoy the soothing sounds of the river as it flows beneath you. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Paris and make sure to include a Seine River cruise in your itinerary. And if you're looking for more travel inspiration and tips, be sure to check out my blog, Gallivanting Like a Royal. Thanks for joining me on this virtual adventure, and I hope it's inspired you to start planning your own trip to Paris. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Talk about how to navigate Paris in just 30 seconds. Paris, the City of Love, is a bustling metropolis with a rich history and culture. To make the most of your time in this magnificent city, it's essential to know your way around. First, familiarize yourself with the metro system. It's fast, efficient, and a great way to explore the city. Next, learn about the iconic landmarks, such as the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame, and the Louvre. These are must-see attractions that will give you a taste of Paris's charm. Finally, don't forget to indulge in the city's delicious cuisine and explore its vibrant neighborhoods. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this quick guide, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more travel tips. Au revoir!